Hey everyone, and welcome. Have you ever scrolled through pictures of amazing home makeovers and thought, I wish I could do that? Well, it's a huge project for sure, and it can feel pretty overwhelming. But today we're going to break it all down. We're going to cover everything you need to know to take a full house renovation from just a dream to a full-blown reality.
So, let me ask you, have you ever stood in your living room and just pictured what it would be like to knock down that wall? Or maybe you've dreamed of ripping out your entire kitchen and starting fresh. If that sounds familiar, you are definitely not alone. And this right here is going to help you turn that big dream into a plan you can actually follow.
Okay, here's our game plan for today. Think of it as our renovation roadmap. First, we'll define what a full renovation actually is. Then, we'll look at the different levels you can choose from. After that, we'll get real about cost and timelines. Then we'll cover the common mistakes to avoid. And we'll wrap it all up with some pro tips for success. Let's dive in.
All right, first up, the dream. Before we get lost in paint swatches and countertop samples, we've got to get on the same page. We need to understand what full house renovation really means. Because honestly, the scope is everything.
So a full house renovation is, well, it's the big one. It's the most comprehensive home improvement project you can tackle. We're not just talking about a fresh coat of paint here. We're talking about updating pretty much everything all at once, from the very bones of the house right out to the curb. It is a massive undertaking, but wow, the result is a total transformation.
And this kind of project covers a lot of ground. I mean, we're talking about structural stuff like finally getting that open concept kitchen and living room you've been dreaming of. It also means upgrading the core systems, the electrical, the plumbing, the HVAC, all the stuff that's basically the lifeblood of your home. And of course, it covers a complete interior overhaul and often an exterior refresh too, from a new roof right down to new siding. It's the whole shebang.
But here's the thing. Full renovation isn't some one-size-fits-all deal. Nope. There are actually different levels to think about, which brings us perfectly into our next section, the options.
First, we've got a level 1, which is a cosmetic renovation. You can think of this as a major facelift for your house. You're changing all the surfaces you can see, new paint, gorgeous new floors, updated lighting, but you're not moving any walls. This is absolutely the way to go if your house is structurally sound, but its style is, let's say, stuck in a different decade.
Next up is level 2, the mid-level renovation. And honestly, this is the sweet spot where most people land. It goes way deeper than just cosmetics. Here, you're tackling the big-ticket items like a full kitchen and bathroom gut remodel. You might even make a few small layout changes and upgrade parts of your plumbing or electrical systems. It's just a fantastic balance of cost, impact, and a real boost to your home's value.
And finally, we have level 3, the full structural renovation. Okay, this is the big one. We are talking a complete down-to-the-studs overhaul. You're creating a totally new layout, putting in all new systems, and usually redoing the entire exterior with a new roof, new windows, you name it. You're basically building a brand new house inside the shell of the old one.
Okay, we've defined the dream, we've looked at the options. Now it's time for a little reality check. Let's get into the two questions that are on everyone's mind. How much is this going to cost me, and just how long is it all going to take? Right, this table gives us a really solid starting point for wrapping our heads around the costs. But keep in mind, these are just rough estimates for the US. They're going to vary a lot based on where you live, what labor costs, and the materials you pick. But for a typical 2,000 square foot house, you could be looking at anywhere from 50 grand for a cosmetic refresh to, well over $200,000 for a full structural job. Just use this as a guide to get you in the right ballpark.
And what about the timeline? This is so important. A huge chunk of the work happens long before the first sledgehammer swings. You're looking at 1 to 3 months just for planning and design. Then another month or 2 to get all your permits approved. The actual construction can take anywhere from 3 to 9 months. So when you add it all up, a full renovation is easily a 5 to 12-month commitment, sometimes even longer.
Okay, now for what might be the most valuable part of this whole thing. See, to have a successful reno, you have to know what can go wrong. So, welcome to the pitfalls. This is our guide on what not to do so you can save yourself a ton of time, money, and let's be honest, a whole lot of stress.
Let's run through a few of the big ones. First, starting without a detailed line-by-line budget, that's a recipe for disaster. It's how you end up out of cash with half a house. Not planning your plumbing and electrical early, that's how you end up tearing open brand new walls later on, which is just as expensive and frustrating as it sounds. Using cheap materials, especially in wet areas like your kitchen and bathrooms, usually just means you'll be replacing them in a couple of years. And oh man, changing your mind about the design mid-construction, that is the single fastest way to blow up your budget and your schedule. All right, enough of the scary stuff. We've seen what can go wrong, so let's completely flip the script. Now we're moving on to the plan. These are the pro-level tips that are going to help you get this thing right on the very first try. Here is your checklist for success. Seriously, if you're changing the layout at all, hire a professional. It's so worth it because they'll see possibilities and problems that you just won't. Always, always plan your hidden systems, plumbing, electrical, before you pick out your pretty finishes. And this one is crucial. Add a contingency fund of 10 to 20% to your budget. This isn't extra money. This is for the surprises you will find behind the walls, like hidden water damage. Trust me, it happens. And finally, think about long-term value, not just what's trendy right now. A classic design and energy-efficient choices will pay off for years.
Look, a full renovation is a massive, massive project. There's no doubt about it. But it also offers this incredible chance to transform the house you already have into the home you've always dreamed of, all without having to move. The potential is right there, just waiting for you to unlock it.